Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. You see, the Madhya Pradesh High Court asked the Madhya Pradesh government saying that, listen, government, you see, when an election petition involves the ruling party, then you take 5 years. Acha, if it involves the opposition, then in 5 months you act. Ye kaisa nyay hai? This is what we are going to discuss today. Interesting story. Let's get right into the show. So, before I start my story, let me give all due credit to Live Law because the source of the story is Live Law's website. So, thank you, Live Law. Now, let us get to the story. You see, the reason I am calling this a story is because, honestly, this will make a very good satire. This will make a very good feature film, actually. And it talks about the way things are today. So, let's get into the story. So, aisa hai, the shot starts, the entire story starts in a courthouse. There is a petitioner, his name is Rajkumar Singh. Rajkumar Singh says, my lord, I have a problem. I have a problem because this MLA called Govind Singh Rajput, who is a BJP MLA and also a Minister of State in Madhya Pradesh government, he has concealed his assets. He has concealed his assets, which is against 125A of the People's Representative Act. This is crime. And he said, I went to the Election Commission of India. I wrote to the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India, you know what? Took cognizance to what I wrote and directed me to the Chief Election Officer. The Chief Election Officer directed me to the Subdivisional Officer. The Subdivisional Officer took my complaint and then now he says, I can't do anything. He refused to do anything, he says. He says, because you see, election ho gaya, election is over. All our powers are diluted. Now what can I do? There's nothing I could do. And here I am in front of you, Your Honor. Ab main kya karu? I'm very sure that he has not filed or concealed his assets while filing 125A. This is the story. The State Council in front of the judge argues that, you see, in March, they made a complaint. In July, we sent a report. It has only been 5 months, said the government representative. It has only been 5 months. In Representation of People's Act, there is a provision that election petitions can be decided in 6 months. They are decided in 5 years. State Council argued. Like I said, this is what the argument of State Council was. This is a petition abhi to mila hai. We've sent the report. But you see, at times, reports take 6 years. It has just been 5 months. Now, the judge didn't take this argument lightly. You see, before I get into what the judge said, let me add one thing here. And this is my opinion. You see, a lot of courts, a lot of judges make a lot of oral comments. These oral comments are brilliant and the entire population of India, people like us, we get swayed saying that, wow, look at the way the court acted. Because their comments are brilliant. But end of the day, when it comes to judgment, the judgment is where the big question mark lies. Because judgment kuch hota nahi hai. What happened about electoral bonds? I remember the way Mr. Justice Chandrachud was sitting in that chair and talking, and my God, end of the day, what happened? The money that political parties had to receive, they received. Everything over. Match finished. Uske baad you are banning, you are questioning, you are giving great lectures and all. What happened? SBI took its own time to present the entire data in front of the Supreme Court. They took. SBI gave reasons. SBI didn't comply. Did anything happen to SBI? Did anything happen to the then chairman of SBI? Nothing. Dialogues, amazing. Oral dialogues were amazing. I mean, it really gives you goosebumps the way judges talk. They're good spokesperson. They speak very well. So that is just one mention I wanted to kind of add into this presentation. But yes, let's get back to what the court said. Like I said, the State Council said that, Baba, listen, it's just 5 months. The period that ECI is given us is 6 months. And you know what, Judge, it takes 5 years at times. To which the judge said that don't take such a stand because election petition takes 5 years. We know why they take 5 years, the judge said. Because there is a ruling party. If it's a losing party, if it's not a party in power, it will be decided in 5 months. So the judge said, listen, Mr. Counsel, don't take the stands. Don't take the stand that 6 mahina hai, it will happen in 5 months. You know, normally it takes 5 years. We are doing it in 5 months. We are doing it. Don't take all the stands because the judge says we understand. If it is ruling party, then it will take 5 years. But if it is losing party or the party in the opposition, then it will happen in 5 months. We understand that. So don't give us this gap. You see, the reason why I wanted to bring about this topic in front of you, and I said it would make a good film, is because this is the reality of our democracy. You could say that, you know, Rahul Gandhi is right. Somebody could say Rahul Gandhi is wrong. Somebody could say that, you know, why these people didn't go out and, talk about this after the election. Why did they wait for almost a year to get over before they talked about Election Commission of India? This is a loser's argument or a loser's excuse. All this we can say. I'm not even sitting here and saying that what Rahul Gandhi is saying is 100% right or what the ruling party is saying is 100% wrong. I'm not even saying that. What I'm saying is we see clear holes in the way things are in current elections. We see clear holes. We see clear holes in the way Election Commission of India has been handling elections. We see clear holes in the fact that there has been inaction. Election Commission of India gave it to Chief Election Officer gave it to Sub-Divisional Officer says, हो गया मेरा, अभी क्या बोलने का? हो गया, इतना महीने के बाद, where do I have the powers? I don't have the powers. My powers are diluted. Where does a common man go? Which means that if you are in power, then that's it. Then whatever you do, whatever you commit, whatever right, wrong, otherwise you commit. See, I am not saying that therefore Govind Singh Rajput has concealed his assets. I am not saying that. We don't know. It is under investigation and it is in the court of law. Court will decide whether he is actually concealed or not. My question is, if he is concealed, will it ever come to public eye? Will the public ever come to know the truth? Will we ever come to know that there was a ruling party MLA minister who concealed assets and therefore he was sacked or he was removed as MLA? Will it ever happen? If it doesn't, what democracy are we talking about? What democracy are we talking about? And almost every day now, we hear one case or another. So this is what I wanted to say in my short editorial today. Think about it and let me know your comments below. Till I see you next time. That's tomorrow at 10. Namaskar.